I'm Paul with Appliance Service by Paul in Salt Lake City, Utah, and we're here to talk about maintaining your front load washer. By removing the lower panel or opening the access, which is available on some washers, you can access the pump and simply unscrew it like you would a jar lid, pull it out, clean it out, put it back together. It's very simple. That will keep your washer draining properly. It'll make sure it's rinsing properly. It'll even stop vibration. Okay. Another thing to do on your front load washer is very easy, is make sure your dispenser is kept clean. People are just learning how to use these now, and too often we use too much fabric softener, we get too much soap in here, and we get buildup. So you can take care of that and make it work properly by simply removing this as I did, it lifts right out, and then disassembling this, and you have access to all this to be cleaned out. It's very simple to do. Snap it back together and then put it back in the hole. Another thing that periodically should be checked is in between your drum and your boot, look down in between here and you'll see a group of holes. Check down there to make sure you haven't got lint that's built up and plug those holes. These holes allow proper drainage out of the boot area, and by doing so help prevent mold buildup. Another great thing to do with these washing machines is leave the door open occasionally so they can air out. Again, I'm Paul with Appliance Service by Paul, and we just talked about maintaining your front load washer.